Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Germana and today I'm going to tell you how and when to use the Italian possessive adjectives. Probably in your native language you already use them, so if you do, let me know in the comment section down below. But before we continue with the video, if you want to see any other Italian grammar videos from me in the future, just make sure to subscribe down below and turn on the post notification so you never miss another upload. Are you ready? Let's get started! Okay, let's start with some grammar. I know this could sound boring to you, but let's just quickly recap what is a possessive adjective and why we need to use it. So if you want to skip this part, let's just go straight to this minute here. In Italian, to express possession generally of an object, an animal, or even a person, we use possessive adjectives. Let's see some examples. Il mio libro, my book, la mia casa, my home. Mio and mia in these two sentences express the possession of an object on the part of the subject. In this case, the subject is io. I guess you've already spotted a fundamental detail in here. Let's see again the sentences. The adjective mio has changed according to the gender and the number of the object. Indeed, to refer to my book, il mio libro, we used mio. On the other hand, to refer to my home, la mia casa, we used mia. Let's have a quick look at all the possessive adjectives you may find in Italian. I'll show you a brief scheme, and if you want to check it at a later stage, I'll link you in the description box with the PDF file which I've created to support your self-studying. Okay, so for each pronoun you'll see that we have a female and masculine gender as well as a singular and plural form. This is because the possessive adjective always follows gender and number of the noun to which it is connected. Let's read the scheme together. Let's start with the feminine possessive adjectives. Let's read first the singular and then the plural. Mia, tua, sua, nostra, vostra, loro. Mie, tue, sue, nostre, vostre, loro. And now let's jump to the masculine version. Let's always read first the singular and then the plural. Mio, tuo, suo, nostro, vostro, loro, miei, tuoi, suoi, nostri, vostri, loro. This is just the grammar scheme that will help you use the correct possessive adjective. But now I have a question for you. In what position do we put the possessive adjective in a sentence? I have already given you some clues before, but let's just see some examples. Think about it. Take your time. Yes, usually it's before the object to which it refers and right after the article. Let's see some examples. Il mio cane si chiama Aldo. My dog is called Aldo. Mio follows the article il and precedes the noun cane. Questa è la mia macchina. This is my car. Dobbiamo rispettare le loro decisioni. We must respect their decisions. Quelli sono i nostri posti. That are our seats. Laura è tua sorella. Laura is your sister. In most all of these examples, we use the possessive adjective right after the article and before the object to which it refers, as I said. But let's look again at sentence number 5. Laura è tua sorella. Yes, I said tua sorella. There's no article preceding the adjective in here. This is a very important exception to remember, guys. When we refer to family members, we do not use the article. Let's see some more examples. Carlo è mio nipote. Carlo is my nephew. Sono sua cugina. I'm her cousin. Michela è nostra figlia. Michela is our daughter. Sergio è il nome di mio figlio. Sergio is my son's name. But remember guys that this exception is valid only if the family member is a singular person, because in the plural form we will need the article. Let's see some other examples. I miei zii si chiamano Monica e Fabio. My aunt and uncle are called Monica and Fabio. You see, I said I miei zii, different from mio zio si chiama Fabio. My uncle is called Fabio. So to quickly recap, we drop the article only when we refer to family members in the singular form. So as I know this exception is quite confusing, I want you to practice now together with me. My suggestion before we start with a little test is to download the PDF file I've created to support your learning that will help you choose the right possessive adjective from the scheme in order to fill in the gaps of each sentence. Let's start with number 1. Finalmente vi faccio vedere il appartamento. Number 2. Vivo con i zii a Padova. 3. C'è il fidanzato laggiù in fondo alla strada che ti aspetta. 4. Giorgio ha chiamato il medico stamattina. 5. Siamo fieri dei figli. 6. Sabrina ama la gatta. 7. Luca e Noemi hanno avuto il primo figlio quando avevano 25 anni. 8. Queste sono le chiavi, ragazzi. 9. Alberto tiene molto ai libri. And last one. Mi piacciono molto I orecchini. If you want to check whether your answers are correct, you can find in the same PDF file the solutions on the last page. So good, that's all for today's lesson, guys. I really hope that this video was helpful for you to learn and practice a bit with the Italian possessive adjectives. As usual, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget that I've been teaching online on italki. Italki is an online language platform where you can have one-on-one online lessons whenever and wherever you want, and all you need is just a long and stable internet connection. In my opinion, guys, this is definitely the most efficient way to reach language fluency. So click on the link in the description box to earn 10 USD italki credits on a purchase of $20. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to connect with me, you can find me on my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter account. See you next time. Ciao!